Alright, we're back with more Factorio. Here we go. I am Pax. And we are continuing the playthrough of space exploration. And we're basically just finishing up here in orbit. Kind of want to put a roboport here. And then we're going to hop in this rocket and take a ride back down. But first, let's keep the research going with maybe some mining and some random other whatever stuff we have left to research. Some of these things, sure, modules, something like this. And just to check in, well, we are running out of ammo because we don't have any uranium. And we are pretty much out of uranium to mine. There's a tiny amount here, and a little bit there, maybe up here. So the ammo situation's getting desperate. So I ran over here to get this mine, but I'm getting nervous because we need to, this pollution is going to get these biters pretty soon, so we need to expand quick and build more artillery bunkers, and also make sure that the artillery trains do not come. In fact, I'm going to go into these blueprints, ditch these artillery stations. Yes, because we'll put the artillery stations down after the fact. And so we need to build this out. It's almost ready. And also we need to protect this because I'm worried that the pollution's going to cross the lake here in a second and the biters are going to come around and start attacking the this mine here. So I kind of want to lay out some defenses. maybe out here is where I'll start it. Man, laser turrets are so weak. They're so weak. So we're gonna do this. Go like this. And I think I might even put some solar panels down right here. So we'll do this as well. Just to have some solar panels. Let's see, can we get them to connect? Yes. Something like this is good. I don't think the buyers will attack the solar panels, but hopefully they'll kind of act like a wall. And we'll protect this area with some laser turrets. So laser turrets, 2 rows of laser turrets. Then let's just get some standard wall segment here. Something like this maybe. Hopefully that wards them off. And hopefully they don't bother the solar panels, but we'll see about that. Okay, so now that this is ready, we need to, well, okay, see, let's see. We want to ask still for uranium ammo because, I mean, piercing ammo does like nothing to the behemoth biters. So I'm gonna just turn this off. But I guess having some piercing ammo here is fine. Then we want to, I'm gonna copy this because I'm gonna put I have 2 versions of this, one that doesn't have the wall, so that way I can, the point is like to disconnect the wall before you build the wall, because it's annoying for the bots to travel so far to try to build a wall. So let me wait for that to get there, because we also want to build down here, and we've been just, you know, basically artillerying our way to expansion. So like hopefully we can just get rid of these last couple of worms. Okay, let's see, where am I? Okay, I think it's time for us to go back. So we're gonna go back to the novice landing pad and bring back all the recycling with us. So let's go. And I think it looks like the science is going. We're pretty much back to saturated on solar panels, but it's probably okay. There's still like a lot of glass and stuff here, but it'll drain out soon enough. Cool. Okay, we're back here, back to the hub. So we'll see everything get sorted. It's the recycling finally working out here. It's been a while, been definitely a while. 20 or so rockets at least coming through, coming back home. Got our packed rocket sections getting recycled as well. Beautiful, beautiful, looking nice. And of course these will get back onto the bus. Then yes, we want to maybe set this up a bit. And I think I'm just going to make this like a station, just like recycle request, where we go into here, say here, have everything, and be a provider, one stack, and just have the provide priority output. So this way, if anything wants any of this junk, the LTN network can handle it. Then we'll let the bots do my logistics for a bit. So check in on this stuff getting built. So yes, we're just desperate for uranium so that we can get ammo. Because, I mean, we need the ammo just to defend our bunkers. Okay, this is here, so, okay, it's disconnected as well, so let's put the rest of the bunker down. Core fissures in the way, it's fine, go away, don't do that. And we have to replace this again. I think I copied it, right? Yeah. Okay, just ask for the uranium ammo, and we'll turn these filters into uranium ammo filters. Well, actually, we might as well just copy this. These inserters need the right filters as well. And I think this isn't connected. Yeah. Let's do this. Okay, well, hopefully bots, we have enough bots. Hopefully that gets built. We also want to build one down here. So the other plan is to build another bunker right here. And track. And once these get walled off, we can start trying to clear out all these bases right here. Hopefully fast enough before they start coming around and attacking. But I think this wall will be pretty good if they decide to come around. And the uranium's back online, that's good. Food processing. Indeed, we are processing. Very good, very good. Alright, let's check us out. Okay, we're here. Let's see. One thing we want to do is actually, I want to go do kovarex, since we have now some more uranium coming. But then I also want to start preparing to go to the next planet. So I need to update this a bit. Need a road down here. I think there's a good spot. But then this needs to be moved one out because of this. Yes. So we need to do this here as well. That should be good. And then we can use our slightly newer version, which has uses the loaders, or the bulk rail loaders. And so we'll set up a new rocket for getting ready to go to the next planet, which I think will be the moon that has iridite. And let's make our way also down to the uranium processing facility and start working on kovarex. So let's check the pollution. I'm just getting a little worried. Maybe we should turn this off for a second. Yeah, let's try turning this off. Might be too late, but over here as well, we're in a little bit of trouble. So hopefully these things get built fast enough. We should be, let's see, this is not enabled. On, please turn on, hurry. Okay. And over here, we're looking okay. Okay, we cut the power. Hopefully that slows down the pollution, but we're a little slow on that front. And yes, this station is actually providing everything. I think we're not quite ready to cut this off, so I started sort of working on this as well. So I put a different station here so I could have artillery. This helped me clear out a lot of blue biters over here, and the plan is to just, yeah, continue the track through here once we've reestablished some perimeters. And basically, I plan to just I'm going to wall off here, up here, and just take this whole area because, yeah, we have another gigantic lake to our east, even more gigantic, that is protecting us, and there's actually quite a lot of resources in this little region, especially uranium. There's a good amount of iron, good amount of copper, good amount of oil, so it'll be good to take out all this area. But yes, there's a lot of blighters to clear out. So we'll be pushing on that front soon enough. Hopefully this is happening. Okay, things are coming now. These inserters never got here, which is bad. Because there's no bots in here either. I have to reconnect this then, don't I? Okay, well with broad inserters, there's literally no bots here. Gosh, how did no bots get in here? Oh, that's kind of annoying. Okay, how's this looking? All right, that's all that uranium we have for a little while. Hopefully this, hopefully we don't get attacked. Oh no. Why are there no bots in here? There were supposed to be bots in here. Gosh. Alright. Where are we? Okay, we are down by the uranium, so let's maybe work on this. I think the plan will be, yeah, we're gonna redo this a bit. Redo this. We literally have nothing. Okay. So I think the plan will be to just put it all here and have this, and just go in. I don't think there's any reason to not. I might want to slow it down. Then I'll have this. Be like, okay, you can work if there's enough 235 greater than, say, I don't know, 200, sure, doesn't matter. Then we want to send out 238 and just have it, you know, we still want the 238 to continue going to ammo. then the idea will be to basically do kovarex right here. So I can do this. Move one in. Yes. So we'll have like the 238 and the 235. Nice, that did work. Okay, cool. Okay, then do this, do this, do that. Okay. So this will be kovarex. I thought I brought some. Okay, this is box. Didn't I get? Okay, guess not. I don't know, do something like this, it's fine. Go like this, go like this. Then I think probably just just use stack sensors. Okay, and then we'll just bring it back and go in. And then I think maybe we'll be like, okay, if, yeah, I think we want to say if the 235 is less than, I don't know, a lot, like, you know, 5,000 or something, then we'll turn the kovarex off. Same here, we'll say if the 238 is bigger than 5,000, we'll turn the mining, the first stage off. Less than, I mean, to enable if it's less than, yeah. And then we'll mostly, I guess it's fine if we just do this for now. Okay, this is back, so kovarex. Alright, cool, that will give us kovarex. And hopefully we have ammo. Hopefully we have some ammo coming. Okay, this has happened, so, okay, go away now. And we're not dead yet. This is not built. Guess it needs more robo bullets. Yes. And pollution, it's getting there. Uh-oh. Okay, but how about coming down here now? Build down here, please. How are we looking? 34. Okay, that's fine. 163 bots out here. So this station is still supporting all of this. Could try to make it this station, but should be okay. How many bots are here? Just 163, which isn't very many. So let's just get some more bots over here. No. What? Okay, well, okay, this is happening. Do we have any ammo? Just, okay, let's make this request priority. So the ammo, any ammo we build comes out here. I really want to get this built too. I think, don't build more of this. Oops. Don't build more of this. You're fine for now. Just go build down here, please. Go build this. Okay, the pollution is activating the bases. Hopefully this holds. If any biters come, hopefully not too many will come right now. It's not too much pollution. Okay, this is better. This is looking better. But ammo is sort of an issue. Okay, but at least there's like a good number of bots here. But yeah, we need them to come down there. Alright, well, we have kovarex. Kovarex is alive. But we need more uranium ammo so bad. And then I think at some point we want to come over here and build some sort of thinking about I could build some sort of smart system. I'm kind of thinking of sharing maybe the uranium fuel cells and the 235, if I even want them on here really. Eventually I will, I think, and we can make a little smart inserter system, oops, for the LTN network. So then let's get an LTN station here. Let's get our typical power pole there. And it'll be like this. It'll be like this. Then we need this combinator. It says each times -1 output each. So we want to take, let's see, then we want one of these. So to measure what's on the train, subtract it from, so read train contents, yes. That's fine. Then subtract it from the request, yes, and this, yes, and then this should just say set filters. Okay, that will be the smart station, I think. So we'll just call this uranium. Alright, but I think I'm not going to set it up right now. I'm just going to leave it buffering until we get to 5,000. Yeah, sure. I guess. Or we could do it. Because then the idea would be, yeah, so this would come out. This would come out. We would have to merge somewhere. Probably just merge like this. And come around, up and around. Sure. I'll just share. That'll work. But yeah, I'm just gonna not do it though. I'm just gonna let it build up in here. Until we're actually ready for needing more. Because now we're out of ore again. And so I would like to turn this back on, but we're not ready still. Okay, this wall's looking okay though. Let's get rid of that. Okay, well, how did, okay, well, whatever. Okay, this is looking good. This is looking almost ready. Have some ammo. Ammo's going around. That's good. So, is it defended well enough? I think so. So let's grab an artillery station. So I've upgraded the artillery stations also to have 4 artillery cannons because it's definitely a lot more effective in clearing the miners. So we'll do this now. I think it's ready enough. We might reinforce it with laser turrets, actually. Yes, let's do this. Just in case. Just get some laser turrets out here. Just get rid of the ones that don't have electricity. Then, yes, we should just blow up these bases then. Maybe these ones. But yeah, they'll come attack this, which will be fine. But yes, I want you guys to build down here. Okay, they're getting down there. They're getting there. Let's see. Is there any more random worms? Where's my shooty? Some of these big worms take more than one shot, so. Hey, where are you guys going? Okay, well now we should have some of the things. Yeah, there are the artillery ship cannons. And the turrets. And this should be on, so the artillery train is coming. So the artillery train is coming. We've almost got this down now. Getting in range a bit. So I was like thinking of just having this here because the bots kind of bridge this gap a lot. But I just want them to prioritize building this first. Alright, now that we're also done with kovarex, then I think we should go back to the base and maybe just, I think it's getting the vehicles going again might be worthwhile as well. Don't think of this, please. Hey, kovarex. So now we can actually do nuclear stuff. But hopefully, let's see. I think we're ready to turn this back on as well. So let's get this power pole back here. Recycle train, recycling. Very good. Okay, we got artillery out here, so let's clear out some of these bases. And I'm a little nervous. Do we have? Okay, we do have enough uranium ammo for this. Like, look how little the piercing ammo does. It does nothing. Alright. Say hi into this base, sure. And then, are we ready to attack these guys? See, yeah, they're already coming over. So let's do this as well, I think. Oops, not you, I guess. That might be too much. Hopefully that's not too much for this to handle. We could try to put some mines down real quick too, maybe. I don't know if there's time. We'll see if that helps. Okay, these are happening. Alright, this is going to be a big attack, so hopefully the laser wall will hold. How's this looking? Pretty good. Almost there, almost there. Oh, just got disconnected. Yep, please reconnect. So I also, yes, whenever, like on most of the walls, I pipe some oil if there's any nearby oil added flame turrets. So a lot of the walls have flame turrets now. And more lasers because I was, yes, worried about running out of ammo. So there's a lot of flame turrets and lasers and a lot of walls, but some of the walls don't have them still because there's not really, like these two west walls don't have oil too close. I was thinking about grabbing this one and bringing it over, but all the other ones have flamer turrets and laser reinforcements. But yes, I mean, okay, good. Oh, yeah, the mines got here pretty quick. Okay, that's good. That was good. Let's see, can we get more? Okay, hopefully this works. Almost got this ready. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. They'll be fine, right? They'll be fine. Maybe I can upgrade this. Kinda need that. Oh boy, more. Yeah, like, look how long it takes. Like 20 laser turrets to take out a biter. Behemoth biter. Alright, well that's okay, that's okay. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. Bots, build this, build this. Hurry, 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 please. How many bots do we have in this? Okay, almost 500 now. That helped for sure. Yep, see things are out of ammo over here. Is ammo working? Ammo? Okay, it's working at least. And how are you looking? Oh, interesting. Okay, remove that. Okay, this is looking good. This is looking good. I guess I don't have storehouses. Right. Oh, I do have them though. They're just not on the network. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy we got this requester warehouse. It's so huge. Okay, I think our last little goal for today will be to work our way over to the rocket logistics spaceport and yeah, work on setting up this next rocket to our next location. Okay, uranium's coming again. And yeah, so then the plan will be to, oh yes, right, before we do this, what I really wanted to do first, right, I went to go back here. I'm gonna go get the vehicles reactivated, that was the idea. See the big riders, yeah, they're nothing. Behemoth fighters, they laugh at the lasers. They laugh. Okay, it's pretty good. Got most of the guys out of the way on the coast here. And this is almost there. Yes. Okay, are we back? Yes. Right, this time, do it right. So, laser tanks, please. over here. More laser tanks, please. Okay, go here. One more. Yes. More laser tanks, please. Okay, do we want anything besides laser tanks? I don't know. Have the... maybe these guys. Maybe these like fast ones. Nice. All right, so we'll pull the cars out and probably work them over to the other side of the lake and use them to kind of clean up after the artillery cannons. So hopefully they are useful. Okay. Yes, but then yes, I will go now over to the rocket and get ready to set up a new rocket to go to the next planet, because we need to get, I mean, the main goal is to get cryonite next. And so I think where we're going to go is to ermintrude. There's a good amount of cryonite, good amount of iridite. It also has kind of like everything in a sense. It has like coal, stone, copper, iron, uranium, oil, water. So we could do pretty much everything here, and it has no biters, of course. Good amount of solar. So good place to establish a more serious colony. But we'll be doing that soon enough, so yes. So this second rocket, remember, was for the asteroid belt, but we never really set it up too much. And this one, yes, so we'll use this new design with the rail loaders, and essentially the same, right? Guess we need to hook up the rocket fuel over here. And I guess, yes, well, we'll have to, right, we want to actually ermintrude. Right. We might have to take the spaceship there. We might want to take the spaceship there too as well. That's right. So we can set the landing pad up without a crash landing. That's pretty useful, to be honest, to do that. Oh my gosh, come on. So close. Just want to be done with the last bunker, at least get it set up. This wall is good enough, I think. Bots are just so slow. Alright, once this wave of bots gets here, I think we'll be ready. Then we can also, let's clear out a bit more of these bases. Looking down here, almost built, almost built. Alright, these guys are kind of ready. I guess we could try to start building something like this. Let's cut this off actually. We come from this way. There's no power. Where's it supposed to go? Here? Okay. start building that. We'll have to clean up this wall and redo it once we're ready. I think once we kind of get this bunker set up and have some protection over here. I mean, the biters are still definitely coming around from all these bases and going to attack us up here, so we can't get rid of this wall anytime soon, but we can at least get rid of the northern half of the wall and push the railroads through. But yeah, we need the ammo supply for a bit longer still. Okay, bots, come on, they're so close. They're so close to being done with this. Just, yeah, they get stuck. So, okay, maybe get them to finish this. Accumulators in the way? That's weird. Oh, well, this is in the way, I guess. Yeah, but let's change this a bit. Go there. Oops. Like that, yeah. That should be good. Okay, cool. So here we again will disconnect this. I hope this will be fast enough. These last two tracks will hopefully come before this happens. Maybe. This shouldn't be there. Yeah, flamethrower turrets are pretty strong. And now that I've realized oil is a infinite resource, I appreciate them. Cool, okay, then yes, I guess then what we can do is just start. Also, we actually don't need any of this now. I'm gonna try to just basically, yeah, build a real wall. So then we want to cut off most of this stuff. And we want to build our wall. So should go here. Looks okay. Flip. Should go here and here. So we'll see how far we get with that. So then, yeah, so we'll push this wall all the way up to here and close it off, corner it off just with this lake. Just push it out a little bit. Get the uranium, and this guy is ready. Sort of, kind of. But the bots, of course, are all doing this stuff, but that's okay. This is separated, I think. Should be. More uranium getting into the network. Great. And over here, why are there not? Man, where did these inserters go? Okay, well, we got the piercing rounds magazines, but let's also get the uranium. Oh wait, but okay, right. It's not gonna matter because I'm going to put the blueprint back down with the walls. Okay, do this. Rock is in the way. Okay, go away, rock. Okay, there we go. Derp. Okay, last little bit. Come on, we're almost done. then this should be on. Okay, we don't want that. I don't know where there's random stuff there, but it's okay. We don't want this. Alright, so yes. Okay, hopefully this works. But I think then, yeah, basically got a new bunker down. We're about ready to bridge to the other side of the eastern lake that's been our wall and claim a new bit of area. Mainly because we needed uranium desperately. And yes, we'll have basically, I don't know, like 10 times more than what we had before, because this mine is almost 2 million. There's another uranium mine over here. It's almost 2 million. A little patch here. So that will give us more uranium than we've had the entire game, so that'll be good. Hopefully that lasts us for a while. And we have kovarex going. And hopefully we have enough uranium now that our ammo production is back online. Not really. Still kind of just dying for the 238, ironically, instead of the 235. I've got loads of 235. But yeah, I think then I'll just continue to expand the train network, expand these bunkers, and clear out the biters over here. Bring the car fleet back, the army back in action, but mostly still going to be just using artilleries, and make our way all the way down to here, clear out all these bases, build one more wall down here, and that will be hopefully the last time we expand for a long time. I don't know, we'll see. But I think this will call it for this session. There you go, Factorio. I am Pax, and I'll see you in the next video.